Hello guys, welcome to my video. And today's tutorials I gotta show you how you make your own sticker for your truck. So first of all, go on ETS2.lt. You can find every mod you want. So make sure you download this one, SFG sticker v3 and templates. And then make sure you download DXT BMP2. So you can go in here, then scroll down, you can find here. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. When after you download that, you go into downloads and you can find your mod here or locate to your mod. After that, you right click, extract to SMG sticker template. Make sure you have WinRAR. Then click in here, you can see the mod and the template. So check the template. You have template to every truck. So today's I'm gonna make my sticker to my scanner. So open the painting application like Photoshop or paint.net, whatever you have. After that, open, locate to your files, template. Then I'm gonna go for scanner edge here. So here can you put the text on, whatever you want. But I'm gonna have a super logo, so I have that on my computer. So now let's design your sticker, how you want it to look like. I'm gonna go for super here. This is the font window, and this is the right window and left window. So I think it's not so hard to understand that. Okay, this is gonna be my sticker. I don't gonna have nothing on my font mirror. I mean font window. So after that, you disappear the background like this. Looks like this, no background, and save it at PNG, PNG, and save that somewhere you can find it easy. Okay, after that you have your sticker here, and it's not done yet. So you have to go on DXT and open your sticker there, PNG file. So mine was on desktop. Opened it in DXT. Okay, then save as ES texture and DXT file. Save it to where you can find it easy. Okay, you have your DXT file here, I mean DDS file here. Then you go back to your map, SMG sticker map, and right click and extract to SMG sticker. Mine is Swedish, so to extract the SMG, I mean SCS file, you need to have 7-zip. You don't need to, but I use 7-zip. It is easy for me. After that, you had SMG sticker glass here. Go in, and then vehicle, truck, upgrade, Wunderbrom, textures, and now you have your DS5 here. So let's change the name. Copy this name, copy, and then change name on this file to the same. And just drag and drop here. So replace. So you got your sticker here. So as you go back here, mark everything, and then right click, add to archive, and name it whatever you want. So I'm gonna go for sticker, and make sure you have zip and from normal to store. Make sure you did this and okay, and copy out and go to your mod folder on Euro Truck 2 mod and drop here, so you can see here. So let's test in game. So here we go. You go on mod manager and choose surely skin sticker here. Active it here. Confirm and load the game. Okay, here we go. So you wanna test it out? Go to vehicle browser, truck browser, and then choose scanner AJL. That's what truck I did. It's gonna work to every truck, but I want to test on this scanner. So go into accessories and your interior, and then this one, and here. Here is my sticker. So that works pretty good for me. Just work on scanner RGL. So it's gonna work to every truck. Let's try this one. And here. And that's work too. So if you don't have this dot here, that means you need to have cabin accessory DLC from Steam. But I'm not sure. So if it doesn't work for you, let's comment on my video and what's your problem is. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next video.